a Russian cosplayer who joined TikTok a couple of years ago and lately became very popular. Now her most watched cosplay video is one of Wednesday Addams with 57 million views. One day she decided to do a cosplay of a video game character that suffers from dissociative identity disorder and switches personalities by sneezing. And what for her was something innocent turned out to be something upsetting for some people, because this popular character is a very bad representation of the disorder, making it look like it is something you can control, when in reality, people who suffer from it can't switch between personalities at will. Because of that, a lot of people took it as something disrespectful and insensitive. This is why she took the video down and apologized, saying this: "I want to apologize to you very much. I'm so sorry for faking the sneeze in my video with Toko cosplay. I really didn't know that I could hurt someone. I hope you forgive me. I promise that this will never happen again. I understand everything." Luckily, people forgave her because they understood that she made a mistake and took responsibility for it.